Do you have a door in your house that's rubbing on the floor and you're not sure how to fix it? I have one doing the same thing, and I'll show you how I fix it. Let's get right to it. Many times when you have a door that's rubbing on the floor, it's a simple fix where you just have to tighten your hinges. You may have some loose screws on your hinges that just need to be tightened back in, and that will fix your problem. Unfortunately, that's not my problem today. I've got wood expansion and contraction going on. Now during the winter, this door opens just fine, it doesn't rub. But as we get into the warmer months and we have more moisture in the air, it catches on a very specific spot on our floor. So this means I actually have to take a little bit of wood off the bottom of the door for it to open properly. Now before you start shaving wood off the bottom of your door, you need to figure out where to take that wood off. I like to use my flashlight to figure this out, and then look down underneath to see where that light stops. And it's right around here is where that light stops. So then I take painter's tape and just mark the area where I need to take off some of that wood. Before we take off the wood, we have to, well, take our door off its hinges so we can get it outside to get this work done. Maybe I need to create a separate video on how to remove a door, but just take the hinges off, pop it off, or take the pins off, pop it off the hinge. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Take the door off of the hinges and take it outside. Now, if you see where we marked our tape, you can also see that there's a bunch of just like dust stuck to the bottom of the door here, so we know we're hitting it in the right spot. So we're just gonna go from this spot where the edge of the tape is all the way to the end. I'll get all the dust off of here so that you can get to the material. I like to use my foot clamp to keep the table stable. It's super high tech, but I also like to use a planer. Now, not everyone has a hand planer, but if you do, you really just wanna plane the wood off the bottom of the door. However, you probably have a sander in your arsenal, and this is the tool that I would actually recommend to get this job done. Sand the specific areas you've marked with your tape to get it down to the level that you need for this to work. And once you have it off, you can see where you've taken off the wood. Now carry this baby back inside and reverse the process I couldn't get right before and put your door back on its hinges. And now for the moment of truth. I locked the door. Let's try this again. Okay, door's unlocked now. Let's see if this worked. Yes, okay. Now that that's done, hey, maybe you're having an issue with your door not closing all the way. If you are having that problem, check out this video. Until the next time, keep doing it yourself.